Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to stop Life360 from tracking your location so you can have privacy when needed. So let's get started. First of all, pause location sharing, open the Life360 application and make sure your device is connected to the internet. Then go to the location sharing and toggle it off. Go to the setting gear icon at the top left corner first of all, and here go to the location sharing option. Here you can turn off your location from here. Step 2 is to turn off the location from your phone. Next, go to the phone setting. You can go to the phone setting and search for location and turn it off, or you can have shortcut is to simply turn off the location from here. Step 3 is to log out or delete the app. You can also log out under the setting. In the setting you will see the option called logout at the below. Simply hit the logout and this will stop all tracking and notification, and that's it. You know all the way to stop being tracked on Life360. Use responsibly and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.